University of California, San Francisco, the Science and Health Education Partnership offers 3 paid programs for high school students. That's right, we said paid. In each of these 3 programs, you can get paid to learn while also building community with your peers and science professionals from UCSF. Take a look at this list. Do any of these things sound like you? Are you curious about or interested in science? Maybe you're a person who's motivated to try new things. Are you possibly interested in a career in science or just want to learn more about potential science careers? Even if you answered yes to just one of those questions, we hope you'll consider applying for our programs. Take a look at what we have to offer. The Teen Wellness Connection is a 9-month program that connects high school sophomores with UCSF scientists and experts around health issues that directly affect teens. We start off with a 3-week summer intensive, followed by twice per month after-school planning meetings to create a day-long Teen Wellness Summit in the spring. Students are paid $2,100 for participating.
So my top 3 highlights from the summer were hanging out with new people and meeting new people, as well as going on these fun field trips in nature. Those are really fun. And also, most importantly, having new people come over and teach us about mental health.
So from personal experience, I had struggled a lot with mental health, and I thought it would be great to come to this program to help educate others and also to educate myself.
If you're interested in a career such as health or just mental health, maybe you should try to apply to this program.
The pay is really nice. You get a lot of money from it. And also just saying that you work at UCSF, and a lot of people are going to be impressed by that.
The Cellular Construction Workshop is a 10-day workshop where sophomores, juniors, and high school teachers work together to learn about cellular engineering and programming. This culminates in a final challenge where teams apply their biology and programming knowledge to solve a real-world problem. Students are paid $1,000 for participating.
If you've never had experience with coding, or you want to learn more about cellular construction and biology, you should definitely apply.
I really did like how cooperative it was. You would program, but you weren't just doing it by yourself. You had your team members, so I really liked that about the programming. Also, just seeing your program actually work and the robot moving and doing the instructions that you coded it to. That was the most rewarding and refreshing part about programming.
Definitely explore your options. Don't be afraid to try something new. You won't get everything on your first try, and coding is hard.
Through the High School Intern Program, high school juniors learn how to conduct science research during an 8-week paid summer internship. Each student is matched with a scientist mentor who is currently conducting biomedical research at UCSF. The mentor offers guidance and support for the student to complete a real research project. Students are paid $3,200 to $4,500 for participating.
The lab I was in was just very supportive, and they were all interested in teaching me whatever they were doing.
It looks good when it comes to colleges. You get lots of money, and it also gives you lots of experience and lets you work in a lab.
I wasn't sure if I'd be interested in a career in STEM, but I think by taking the program, I felt like I was interested and like I could actually do it.
Okay, quick review. We've got the High School Intern Program for current juniors. The pay is $3,200 to $4,500 for 8 weeks in the summer. Interns get to do biomedical research in labs at UCSF and get support with college applications. We've also got the Cellular Construction Workshop for current sophomores and juniors. The pay is $1,000 for a 10-day workshop in June. Participants learn about cellular engineering and programming. The third program is the Teen Wellness Connection for current sophomores. The pay is $2,100 and the program begins with a 3-week summer workshop, then continues through the school year, meeting twice per month. You'll learn about teen health issues, then plan a day-long Teen Wellness Summit for other high school students. Ready to apply? Here's what you'll need to do. Submit an application online where you'll share some basic information about yourself, you'll answer questions about your motivation to apply, and you'll tell us why you're interested in the program you're applying to. We don't ask for your grades, and this is an important aspect of our application process. We know that grades don't tell us much. In our programs, we have students who have high GPAs and students who just don't shine through traditional measures of academic success. What we really want to know is that you're motivated to participate to your fullest ability, you're responsible and mature, and that you genuinely have an interest in building community with and learning from other science and health curious people. So it's up to you to make sure we understand who you are through your application. The deadline to apply is right there on the screen, so write it down, take a picture. You can also scan the QR code there to access the application and learn more about each program on our website.